Welcome to YouTube Bootcamp. I am Sheri Barbera. Videos have 7% more engagement than photos. That might not sound like a lot, but if you were 10 people, that means 7 out of those 10 people are looking at videos more than they're looking at photos. So that's a lot. Videos drive more comments. And what's great about comments is that comments drive more interaction, more engagement, more likes, and get people talking about your products. So all of these reasons are why you should be on Instagram. And the reason for that is because Instagram is owned by Facebook, number one. So Facebook promotes Instagram. Number two, it's super important because Instagram is so visual. 4 Instagram videos, 3 seconds to a minute. That's it for video. If you're on a story, which is only good for 24 hours, 15 seconds. What a lot of people do when they do stories on Instagram is they do multiple shots of themselves, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 seconds to finish the story. So you might start a story by saying, hey guys, I'm so glad you showed up today. We're gonna talk about X, Y, and Z, and let's get right to it. That's number one. Number two, right now I'm gonna show you exactly how to make this product, blah, 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 blah. That's number two. Now, I've set out all of the ingredients to make that product. We're gonna go step by step. That's number 3. Number 4 is, okay, we're gonna do this, 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 and this. And for you to see the rest of it, go to my YouTube channel, okay? And that's 4. Now, you've done 4 15-second videos, and you've created a commercial for yourself about a product that you're launching or something that's exciting that nobody knows about, and you've made a great commercial for yourself for YouTube. That's how you use stories. IGTV, 15 seconds to 60 minutes. A lot of people are using IGTV for business live. They're going live on IGTV and they're showing how to do something. So a lot of it is tutorials and a lot of it is food tutorials, which of course makes a lot of sense. And this is why as a business, you instantly have a leg up. I mean, I think that 150 views is really good. So, you know, if you're talking about your book or you're talking about your product or you're talking about your service and you get 50 people that show up, that's good. I mean, you have a good chance there of selling something. So on IGTV, yes, you can pre-film and then upload to Instagram, but you can also go live. And live is very successful. And then once you're finished with that, you can download it just like you do on Facebook Live. You can download the video to your computer, save it, and upload it to YouTube. Instagram Live video length up to 60 minutes. So IGTV, you can either post pre-made videos up to 60 minutes, or you can go live for 60 minutes. You can immediately use IGTV. As soon as you create your Instagram account, you can use IGTV. When you go live on YouTube, you can only go live on your computer on YouTube until you have 1,000 subscribers. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers, you can A, apply to the YouTube Partner Program to monetize all the videos, all the ads around your video, and B, you can go live from your phone. The reason that YouTube does that is because to go live from your phone or your iPad requires YouTube to pay additional amounts for the software for you to be able to do that. So they want to make sure that you are highly invested in YouTube before they are willing to spend more money on you. Because you get it for free, they pay for it. So when should you post on Instagram? Everything changes all the time. So this, yes, maybe, you know, this is what they're saying now, but could change. 2 months from now could be completely different. Basically, this is an aggregated Instagram idea of when to post. Aggregated 500 million monthly views. Over 500 million monthly views. This is when most people are on Instagram. Most of the tags on Instagram are brands. And that's really surprising to me, because I would think that most of the tags on Instagram are thoughts or ideas or, fun, cutesy things, but they're not. Most of the Instagram tags are brands. That sort of means you should think about how can you incorporate that into what you are selling and use it somehow. So let's say that you do a video about, let's just pick YouTube. Let's just say that you're doing, that's stupid because you can always use YouTube as a hashtag. Let's say Nike. So let's say you're doing a video and it's about, you're vlogging and it's about running, okay? And the shoes that you're wearing are Nike. Now, you're not going to get any money for that. But if you say your Nike running shoes are making it so much easier for you to, accomplish whatever you're trying to accomplish out there running, you can use the hashtag Nike legitimately because you're wearing Nike shoes, or you're wearing a Nike shirt, or whatever it is that's Nike. So now you can jump on the Nike bandwagon, 8 out of 10 branded hashtags, and show up. And there are ways to be able to show up. And these are the things that you need to seriously think about when you're doing your hashtags, when you're making your videos, when you're making your products, when you're making anything that has to do with social media. The ways for you to show up are holidays. If you jump on a holiday and you incorporate it into your brand somehow, everything that has to do with that holiday is what's right now trending. So if you incorporate that into a current video on a trend about the holiday, your chance of rising is so much higher. Trends, whatever is trending. If you jump on what is trending, Sal and I today, we just made a video on COPPA. Do you know about COPPA? The FTC made a law, Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. That's what it is, the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. And right now, YouTubers are going crazy because what's happened is, because of COPPA, if you have a children's channel, you're losing your comment, you're losing your playlist, you're losing, the things that you're losing are incredible, and your income, if you're up here, is gonna tank. So if you have it used to be having a children's YouTube channel was gold. In fact, I talked about that many times at YouTube Bootcamp, but now, scary. So yes, you do want to be aware of all this kind of stuff. If your feed becomes really well known, and I hope that it does, and you follow all of these wonderful guidelines, if you become trending and you get 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers, now you're a micro-influencer. Now people will ask you to sponsor their products, right? They will sponsor you, and you can sell their products. So the reason why it's so important in your bio to have your email address and what you do is because how do they find you, these sponsors? How do they contact you? Do you want to make it easy or hard? You want it to be easy. So think about, how would you contact someone? What would you want to be able to instantly find out when you go to their Instagram page? You want to be able to find out how to contact them real quickly. What do they do? What else do they do? What's their link? Is their link to a website? Is their link to YouTube? What do they link to? And then what do you find there? If I'm a sponsor, I want you to make it easy for me. So that's what you should have in your bio. Thank you all for coming. Hey, how are you? Great to see you. I know. It is. It's like, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to go up and back like this. Okay, so I am a YouTube certified channel growth expert.